long has it been since you water skied?
About 40 years, and I'm excited now.
All right, let's see how it goes.
And how old are you, Lonnie?
54.
54, and it's been 40 years, so you were 14 when you skied?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so now we're not going to ski yet. We're going to practice keeping our skis in front of us. Keep your knees up high, arms straight. Just kind of look up. Knees in front. Knees in front. That was good. That was good. I don't want you to stand up. Arms straight, honey.
Yeah.
All right.
Keep trying to
give a little feel. I don't want you to stand up. I want you to keep your knees up high. Knock your knees, okay? Legs together.
Look up.
This time we're going to go. Okay? Knock your knees. Here we go.
Oh!
Alright. Mike, look at your hand.
Hi.
So how old are you, Mike? 32. What's the last time you skied? So what kind of ski did you do? Behind the boat, 2 skis, right? Okay, so we'll go just the last and warm up.
You show me love, you show me grace.